who has come now? Saidulu and Malyala Anil. Malyala Anil, what is your degree?
Sir, MCOM, sir. Commerce.
Which year did you complete?
2022, sir.
Very good. Recently only. Good, good. Which subject was your favorite subject?
Accounting, sir.
Accounting. Acha, good. Can you tell me what are Indian accounting standards? Normally, they
approximately
ask this. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. Indian accounting standards.
There are 28. Not there are.
Tell me. Tell me.
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, there are 28, but I can't recall it, sir. Now I will read about it.
Oh, Indian accounting standards. I think there are accounting standards, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. I think you can go through here. Questions like this comes. How many accounting standards are there in India?
32 standards.
Indian accounting standards has a total 32 standards, out of which the most common ones have been listed below. AS1, AS2, etc. 1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah. They are joining. Then if you go to Google and search like this, you will get these questions. Does India follow IFRS or GAAP? India follows an accounting standard that is based on IFRS. It is known as Ind AS and is in use since accounting period 2016-17, something like that. So you please search, you will get these questions. What is the difference between Indian GAAP and US GAAP? Does India use GAAP accounting? Okay. Please go through questions like this. Just search in Google like this. You will get a lot of questions and based on which you can prepare, because the starting you came with accounting standards. That is why accounting you told. That's why I had to ask this question. Please prepare. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will prepare, sir.
What else is your favorite subject apart from accounting? Excuse me. Come quickly. Hello. Why are you taking so much time to answer this simple question? Hello. Anil. Anil has gone. Anil, internet is not all right. Anil. Malayala Anil. Malayala Anil, kya hua? Acha, doesn't matter. No problem. Now, this only will tell you. Hereafter, I will be only putting questions you must be able to answer. That is the usefulness of this session, wherein you will get opportunity to talk. Of course, I'll be conducting 2 mock interviews for those who are paid 407, and I will talk to you for 20 minutes. But then here is an opportunity when you can try to experiment your communication skills. Good. Now, who would like to answer next question? Please raise your hand. Those who would like to answer next question, please raise your hand. Anybody would like to? Anybody would like to? Those who would like to raise. Rashmita, you are interested in answering?
Sir, about accounting you are asking.
Yeah, can you tell about accounting standards?
So that exam civil student,
Accounting standards. Did you? If you are prepared about it, you can tell. Otherwise, you prepare later. Have you prepared about it?
No, sir.
No, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now let me spend 10 minutes in checking up how many of you remember what we discussed yesterday and also about some of the central government schemes. Of course, in South Indian Bank. Okay. Now let me. Anybody from Kerala is here? Anybody from Kerala? Malayala Anil, are you from Kerala? Malayala Anil, are
Yes,
you
sir.
from
What about-
Kerala?
Sir, I'm from Telangana, sir.
Telangana. Telangana. Okay. Good. Telangana. Who is your chief minister?
Chandrasekhar Rao.
Who is your finance minister?
Harish Rao.
Pardon?
Harish Rao.
Okay. Now, can you tell about the schemes brought for the welfare of farmers? Telangana schemes for the sake of farmers.
Raitu Bandhu, Raitu Bima, like
Ah, speak, speak. Who is speaking now? Santosh Kumar? No, no. Who is
No,
answering
sir.
now?
Sir, Raitu Bandhu Farmers Group Life Insurance Scheme, Soil Health Card Scheme, Subsidy Seed Distribution, Seed Village Program, Farmer
Ah,
Mechanism, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana,
very good.
Rainfall
Saidulu?
Areas. Yes, sir.
Good, good. Very good, Saidulu. You seem to be knowing good a lot of things. What is your degree?
MBA Finance.
MBA Finance. Okay, okay. Very good. Now, what did you study in MBA Finance?
Sir, MBA Finance consists of major subjects like financial accounting and accounting principles, cost accounting and taxation, and business laws and economics. These are the major subjects.
Under business laws,
Yes,
what
sir.
do you know about partnership law?
Partnership law is a law between the two persons. They are agreed for mutual understanding of sharing of profits and losses between the two or more persons. It must be registered under the Partnership Act.
Hmm. No, but the one mistake you did was two people. Two or it should be two or more persons.
Two or more persons.
Yeah. And it can be in writing or need not be in writing. But when it is in
Oral or
writing
expression.
and registered, it gives power for the firm to file suit in the name of the firm against its debtors.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
like that, you must be able to tell as an MBA student, your answer should be clear. Understand? Yeah. Now, very good. MBA Finance. MBA Finance. Can you please tell me what is balance sheet?
balance sheet is a financial statement, sir,
Hmm,
that contains the details of assets and liabilities,
hmm,
and balance sheet shows the financial position of the company at a specific time.
hmm. Balance sheet shows the financial position of a company as on a particular date.
On date,
In
Yeah,
time.
and as on a particular date.
particular date or only time not.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, please tell me why, what are the items that will appear under liabilities?
Liabilities, uh, capitals,
Hmm,
owners capitals, and bills payable,
hmm, good.
debt, creditors, I think.
Hmm, hmm. See, number one, capital or reserves,
Reserves,
then
drawing,
long-term
Loans,
liabilities, short-term
loans,
liabilities.
account
Yeah,
payable, mortgages, deferred
yeah.
revenues, bonds, warranties.
Hmm. Deferred revenues. Will it come there?
Yes, sir. Balance sheet side.
Okay.
Liability side, sir.
Very good. Why capital is shown under liabilities?
Capital is farm as per accounting entity concept. Farm is different from proprietor, sir. In this accounting concept, entity concept shows that farm is different from owner.
Hmm. No, you should tell like this.
Okay.
Business is a separate entity. Shareholders are separate entity.
Yes, sir.
That will do. Okay. Very good. Good answering. Now we'll go to next person. Now I hope you have gone through that New India Samachar. Has anyone studied that? Would you like to answer questions based on that? Hello? Anybody has studied about that?
No, sir. Actually, not completed, sir.
Why have you not studied? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now let me go for some other thing. Now let me ask you about South Indian Bank. Let me ask some questions regarding South Indian Bank. Now, who would like to answer me this question? What do you want to tell us? What do you know about South Indian Bank? Please tell.
Yes, sir.
Each one can try.
Yes, sir.
Each one can try. Each one can try this because it's a very important question. Please tell.
Yes, sir. South
Hmm.
Indian Bank is a leading private sector bank, and also it is the first private sector bank in Kerala got a scheduled bank status also, and it was
Hmm.
established in 1929, and its headquarters is in Thrissur, Kerala. And the current MD CEO of South Indian Bank is Murali Ramakrishnan, and this is the first bank which got the currency chest on behalf of RBI. Currency chest means the whatever the RBI print the money that will go to the currency chest and then it will get distributed. The ISAB is the part of that.
Hmm.
And also it is providing so many financial deposit services to our customers also.
That's all.
Indian Bank has 928 branches, sir, one service point, and 1150 ATM centers and cash deposit machines. And South Indian Bank guideline is experience the next generation banking, sir.
Please keep the mic near your mouth and speak. Whomsoever it is, please keep your mic near your mouth and then speak. Otherwise, it will not get recorded properly. Now, who wants to? Let me go one by one. Let me go one by one. Here is an opportunity.
Yes.
Akash Sharma, did you talk?
Yes, sir.
You already talked?
No, sir. No, sir.
Please tell about South Indian Bank.
Sir, South Indian Bank is a leading private sector bank. It is a scheduled bank. South Indian Bank MD and CEO is Mr. Murli Ramakrishnan. Its chairman is Mr. Salim Gangadharan. The bank established in 1929. 1929. It has 1156 ATM, 1156 ATM and 121 cash deposit machines and cash recycler machines. Its representative office in UAE, Dubai, UAE. South Indian Bank has total advances on 31st December 2022 is 70,117 crore. Total retail deposit is 88,000 660 crore.
Hmm.
Total CASA deposit is 30,660 crore.
Hmm.
Total NRI deposit is 27,964 crore.
Hmm.
And many corporate social responsibilities there also.
Hmm.
First is South Indian Bank renovate the bus hub in Thrissur.
Hmm. Good.
Butts Rehabilitation Center in Ponnani.
Hmm.
There is a scholarship scheme also, SIB
Hmm.
scholarship.
What is that scholarship? It is given under which um, under which category it is given?
Sir, I don't know.
It is known as corporate social responsibility.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is known as corporate social responsibility. Okay.
It also
Very good.
yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir. It also funded a cancer hospital in Trivandrum.
Very good. It is also giving for that also. What is the deposit you said?
Sir, total advances.
Deposits.
Deposits.
Hmm.
Sir, retail deposit is 88,660 crore. 660 crore.
No. यहाँ पर देखते हैं. I am showing you. It is showing a different figure.
Sir,
1 minute. I will show you.
Sir, it is as per the Q3 result.
I am also telling Q3 result only. I am showing you in the screen. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. Take a notebook and write down. The capital
Yes.
is 20,927 lakhs.
Capital.
Here shall we have it in lakhs, because you tell it in lakhs only, because the interviewers, they will be comfortable only in lakhs. It is given balance sheet, it is giving as lakhs only. 20,927 lakhs.
Tax.
Then deposits is 90,000. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
90 lakhs, 67,174 lakhs.
74 lakhs. Okay, sir.
Please write down.
Yes, sir. I wrote down. Write down.
Yeah. Reserves 6,14,000 lakhs. 6,14,000 lakhs.
14,000.
All of you write down. Then advances 67 lakhs 92,000 lakhs. 67.92 lakhs. 67.92 lakhs. Now,
yes, sir.
what is credit deposit ratio? What is the credit deposit? What is the CD ratio? CD ratio means credit is to deposit. This MBA finance, please tell me, MBA finance, please tell me what is credit deposit ratio? 67 or 68 is to 90.91. You can make it that way. 68 is to 90, or you can make it 90. 68 is to 90. That means 34 is to 45. 34 is to 45. 34 is to 45. So if you want to know the percentage, you can calculate like this. 34 by 45 into 100. Please find out in calculator how much are you getting. Please find out.
Sir, approximately 75%.
Correct. Good. Approximately 75%. So this information you must be able to tell. Total deposits 90 lakhs, 90.67 lakhs. Advances 67.92 lakhs. Capital 20.92 lakh. 20.92 lakhs. That's correct. That is how it has to be told clearly. And what is the profit you would like to tell? I think what is the net profit?
102
102.75
lakh crore.
Very good. That's correct. 102.75 lakh crore. Good. Excellent. So please remember these details correctly. That will help you a lot. Now
And
let me.
10% growth was happened according to Q3 results.
Very good. Excellent. What is the vision of our South Indian Bank? What is the vision? Vision and mission. It is given in. Tell me.
Vision of the South
Sir,
Indian
the
Bank is
vision.
to be the most preferred bank in the areas of customer service and stakeholder value and corporate governance.
Very good. What is the mission?
To
Vision to
provide,
provide
sir, the
secure
mission is to provide
Dynamic
secure
and
and dynamic banking environment to their customers.
Good. To provide a secure, agile, dynamic, and conducive banking environment to customers with commitment to values and unshaken confidence, deploying the best technology standards, processes, but you don't have to use the very same word. Briefly, you can tell that. Good, very good. So these points you have been able to tell me. Now, under the personal banking, and under savings account, what are the details given? What are the various types of details given under savings account? Yeah.
they're separately given, like for senior citizens, they separately keep a saving account, like SIB, SIB Senior Elite, and also for kids, they mention SIB Kid. Kid
Is it
and
junior saving? Is it junior savings you are referring to?
yes,
Or you referring to junior savings?
for junior savings, SIB Junior is there. And also for kids, there is separate saving plan. Like for the first day of that kid to till 18 years, they can keep for saving account. So junior is like as soon as the child grows, after 10 years, that junior will come.
What is
And
what is Mahila Delight account?
this is particularly for women. Women savings account, like they'll provide separate features for that also, like they'll provide unlimited ATM transactions, and withdrawal limit also it will be free.
Which is free?
Withdrawal limit.
अच्छा ठीक है. Unlimited ATM, unlimited other bank ATM
And also
usage.
it is applicable for other branches also, it will be free, like ATM withdrawal. Like other than SIB ATMs, it will
Good. This point is coming here. I will just showing you. This is the one she is talking about. Rashmita. Please tell me, but you must have been able to tell me about this. Average
Yes,
monthly
sir.
balance is 5,000.
Yeah, sir. That is for urban areas, 5,000 rupees. And for rural areas, the average monthly balance, it should be 2,500. And the name of the debit card is Rupee Platinum. And that SIB ATM usages will be unlimited, and that issuance charge will be 500 plus included, GST also included in that.
What is the
And
personal accident death cover?
yeah, sir, like that they'll provide 1 lakh, like 10 lakh personal accident death cover. That means they'll pay a premium of like 275 rupees will be there. In that 199 will be paid by a person. Sorry, sir, 199 rupee will be paid by a government. The remaining 76 will be charged by the customer. So if in case they met with some accident, they'll give a insurance, accident insurance cover, sir. Like if it is happen within 15 days, they'll not consider, sir. They'll reject it.
But one thing, in interview situations, do not get into this much details and all problem. It will be difficult. Simply
Okay,
tell
sir.
about personal accident death cover, rupees 2 lakhs.
Okay, sir.
It is given in the website you are seeing on the screen. Rupees 2 lakh as declared by RuPay from time to time. Acha, you are talking about SIB Suraksha Kavach.
Suraksha coverage, sir. Okay.
But when you tell that, you tell personal accident death insurance cover of 10 lakhs, including personal accident hospitalization cover of 1 lakh for just rupees 25. Don't tell about first year, second year, and all that. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then they are eligible for internet banking, SIB ER net, mobile
Yes, sir.
banking, then check
SIB
leaves,
Mirror Plus.
50 check leaves per calendar year. Then NEFT 1 lakh per month free. But you may not remember this much detail, but leave that. Locker concession, 25% concession on first year rent. Demat account free opening, NPS account free opening, no closing charges. So the speciality of Mahila Delight, one, it is applicable for all women above 18 years of age. Average monthly balance rupees 5,000 in metro and urban, 2,500 in semi-urban and rural. Debit card issued is RuPay Platinum. ATM usages, other bank ATM usages also unlimited. Like that, you try to cull out whatever points you are remembering and then tell briefly. Good, you told this nicely. Good. Any other deposit scheme, the savings bank deposit you would like to tell? See, when we go for interview, we must be remembering at least 2-3 deposits. Bank will be more interest as a lady candidate. You must be able to tell about Mahila. Then you know about if you can remember about corporate salary, fine.
That
Otherwise,
is, yes,
what is
sir.
corporate salary? You know.
Particularly for salaried persons.
Good. Please go through the content. You must be able to tell nicely. And this sometimes they may ask this question about what is basic
Yes, sir.
savings bank. Basic
That
savings
is
bank.
a zero balance account, sir.
It is opened under which scheme?
Saving scheme, like saving account under.
No, these accounts are classified under Pradhan
Savings
Mantri
account.
Jan Dhan
Jan Dhan
Yojana.
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 Yes, sir.
You should tell like that. Very good. So next,
Okay.
next somebody else can try answering questions. I think it was Rashmita who answered nicely. Now I will go for Samadhan. Samadhan, you are from which state?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Have you studied South Indian Bank website or not?
Yes, sir.
You have studied. Can you tell something about their term deposits? Hello? Can you tell something about their term
मैंने इतना
deposits?
डिटेल में नहीं स्टडी किया है अभी तक.
You didn't study. Okay, doesn't matter. So let me ask simple questions now because many of you are not prepared. So many of you are not prepared for this thing. Let me tell you some basic questions they ask and the answers you have to give for them. First question they will ask, why do you want to join banking sector? I think this point we have already discussed. Anybody is not aware of the I think we have discussed this. Then what do you know about South Indian Bank? To some extent, we have been able to tell. So please prepare yourself properly. Then they will ask you, if you are from Maharashtra, they will ask how many South Indian Bank branches are there in Maharashtra. They can ask you like this. Then that's okay. Then they will also ask you questions like, say, what do you understand by financial inclusion? This is a favorite question. What do you understand by financial inclusion? Can anyone
Sir,
answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me. No, but Rashmita, you have answered a lot of questions. Let us give opportunity for others. Unati Singh, can you answer this question? Financial
Mm,
inclusion.
So financial, so
Hello?
basically financial inclusions are the availability of opportunities to access financial services for an individual and business to for and they can get the they can get the product and services of bank at affordable rates and timely they include loans, equity, insurance product, etc.
Good. It's good that you mentioned banking and insurance. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What do you know about PMJDY?
The
Pradhan
Pradhan
Mantri
Mantri
Jan
Jan Dhan Yojana.
Hmm. Tell me.
The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is it is also a financial inclusion program which is started by our central government. It's aimed to open the as much as account they can open so that everyone can access or they get the benefit of financial transactions online and they can easily get the loans and pension and credit facilities also.
You know how many accounts were opened for under PMJDY?
Sir, no idea.
sir, 48 crore.
48
Yeah,
lakh crore.
48
Lakh
crore.
crores.
48
Crores.
lakh crore. Is it so?
No, sir, only
Sir, crores,
48.8.
sir. Crores.
48 crores only.
48 crores.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is the maximum balance that can, it should not exceed how much?
1 lakh, 1 lakh.
10,000. One.
Huh?
50,000.
50,000.
50,000.
50,000 rupees. How many Jandan accounts are there? Somewhere around 48 crores. Amount is, please note down the amount.
1.8 lakh crore.
Yeah, 1,80,000 crores, not 1.8 crore. Please note down the amount. 1,80,000 crore. Are you seeing on the
Approximately
screen?
1.8 lakh
Yeah,
crore.
you can make it 1.81 lakh crore. 1.81 lakh crore. Okay. Please note down 1.81 lakh crore under PMJDY. Number of accounts they are telling 47.84 crore. Okay, very good. Then when they ask about financial inclusion, you should also tell them, see, government is adopting PMJDY and somebody's, yeah. Pradhan, Whose phone is giving lot of trouble? Whose mic is giving lot of sound? Yeah, I have switched it off. Now, under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, when they ask this, Santosh, please don't switch on your mic. It is giving lot of sound. Santosh, switch off your mic. Yeah. Yeah. When you tell about financial inclusion, you must also tell. Santosh, where are you? Please switch off your mic. Okay. Now, under say the financial inclusion, important points you have to tell. Remember, number one, government is opening more of RRB branches. RRBs, their object is to help priority sector advances. 75% of their total lending is priority sector. And also they have banking correspondents who go to the houses of the farmers and customers and do transactions like opening of account, making payment, etc. They take banking to the houses. Next point, you should also tell about say Pradhan Mantri Atal Pension Yojana. Under say they have a scheme known as Atal Pension Yojana, where it is for unorganized sector people, minimum 1,000 rupees, maximum 5,000 rupees. You please get to know details about it. Then you should also know about PMJJBY, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. These schemes also you must know the details. Apart from this, Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit Scheme. Please note down. Please get to know the details about it. Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit Schemes. Then Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Deposit Scheme. You also get to know about this. This scheme is with LIC. Good. This question is important. Next question they will ask you is that how will you entertain a customer? How will you handle pressure? This type of question they can ask. Vineet, can you answer me? Vineet. Vineet,
lot
can
of
you
noise.
answer? No, I know that Santosh Kumar, this is giving a lot of trouble. I don't know why. Doesn't matter. Vineet, you answer. Vineet.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
What is the question, sir?
What is the question I asked? Anybody can tell? Anybody is able to hear properly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
What was the
how
question?
will you handle customers
Correct.
or
How will
entertain
you
customers?
handle customers at the counter? Please tell me. You are from which state, Vineet?
I am from Telangana, sir.
చెప్పండి మీరు ఎలాగ కస్టమర్స్ కు హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తున్నారు ఎలాగ ప్రెషర్ మేనేజ్ చేస్తుంటారు
Sir, I will handle customers by knowing the needs of them. Which account do they want? Like savings account, which account, savings account, fixed account, which account do they want? And I offer them the services, sir.
No. If you want to talk in Telugu, please talk in Telugu. No problem. You are struggling in English. What is the
Okay,
degree
sir.
you studied? What is the degree you studied?
I have completed my BTech, sir.
ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి తెలుగులో చెప్పండి మీరు కౌంటర్లో కూర్చుంటారు అంటే ఎలాగ పీపుల్ దగ్గర మాట్లాడుతున్నారు ఎంటర్టైన్ చేస్తున్నారు
సార్ కస్టమర్స్ ని రిసీవ్ అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్లీగా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాను సార్. అండ్ ఏ అకౌంట్ కావాలో అడుగుతాను. అకౌంట్
చెప్పండి.
హలో, ఏ అకౌంట్ కాల్ అడిగిన తర్వాత సర్వీసెస్ ఇస్తాను సార్.
ఇది ఇది ఇంకా బాగా చెప్పవచ్చు. రష్మిత, కెన్ యూ టెల్? Rashmita. Rashmita, are you there? Rashmita, are you there? Can you speak? Rashmita. Oh, sir, nobody is able to hear. Are you
I'm
able to
able to
hear? Yeah, please tell, how will you entertain a customer?
Sir, I will know their needs and know what type of account they want to open, and I will provide the same facility to them. And if they are coming for DBT transfers, then I will help them with that, like distribution of PM Kisan schemes or distribution of the subsidy of PM Ujjwala Yojana and all. So I will help them through that.
No, you don't have to tell about PM Kisan and all that. Simply tell them, I will
Yes, sir.
receive the customer with a smile.
Okay, sir.
I will talk to them nicely.
Yes, sir.
I will listen carefully what are their needs, requirements.
Okay, sir.
And
Yes,
I
sir.
will try to satisfy them to the full extent possible.
Yes, sir.
Something like that, briefly. There is no definite answer for this, but what are the points you have to sell? Number one, I will do it with smile. And you should also tell, I will empathize with the customer and find what are his needs and then satisfy them. And I will enjoy doing this. This also you should tell. You
Okay,
should
sir.
speak. I am happy about helping others. I am very good. I will be good in extending customer service. So like that, you should tell happily. Adi, what the words that you are using, you must tell in a very happy tone. Can
Yes,
anyone
sir.
try? Saidulu, can you try?
Yes, sir.
Saidulu.
First of all, I request the customer be polite and be manner, and ask the financial goals of the customer and what are the needs of the customer and what really wants. That will be I will provide that customer.
What you told, I will ask the customer polite. You are not going to make him polite. Your English was wrong. I will talk to him politely or softly, so that English communication level, be careful when you are talking. లేదంటే మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి, ఏమీ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. They won't mind you. If they give you opportunity to talk in Telugu, please talk in Telugu. No problem.
సార్ అలా
Then
మనం అలా అడగొచ్చా సార్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ని? ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుందా సార్
no.
తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం ఏమైనా?
నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే మీకు బాగా వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన సమయంలో ఎలాగ చెప్పినారంటే, ఐ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ కస్టమర్ టు బి పొలైట్ అని చెప్పినారు. కస్టమర్ కు యూ కాన్ మేక్ హిమ్ పొలైట్. మీరు ఎలాగ చెప్పాలంటే, ఐ విల్ టాక్ టు కస్టమర్స్ పొలైట్లీ. ఐ విల్ బి పొలైట్ టు కస్టమర్స్. అలాగ చెప్పండి. అర్థమైందా? The mistake is in grammar mistake in English. No problem, but don't worry about it. But try to talk that in Telugu itself comfortably. Here you are going for clerical post only. They will not be unhappy if you are talking in Telugu. They want people who can talk in Telugu. At the same time, sometimes you must be able to talk in English also. Good.
సార్ సౌత్ ఇండియన్ బ్యాంక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది సార్? ఇంత ముందే ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు ఏమైనా తెలిసి ఉంటుందా సార్?
No, normally they do permit you to talk in Telugu also. It's not that you cannot. It is not that you cannot talk in Telugu అలాగా లేదు, because it is only clerical post అంతకే. లేదంటే it will not be possible. అంటే ఎవరైనా చదవగారా బ్యాంకింగ్ ombudsman అంటే ఏమి? ఎవరైనా చదవగారా?
1-2 క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పొచ్చు అంట సార్ తెలుగులో.
Yeah. You can answer 1 or 2 questions in Telugu. Not only that, మీరు ఎంటర్ చేసిన సమయంలో if you enter like this, నమస్కారం అండి, నమస్కారం. If you tell like that, automatically they will know you are more comfortable in Telugu. And they will not give less marks for you because of that. I know you are.
సార్ నేను తెలుగు మీడియం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సార్. నేను ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాను సార్. కాకపోతే సడన్లీ మధ్యలో తెలుగు అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది సార్. ఇది ఏమన్నా అయితే ప్రాబ్లం అయితే అని చాలా భయంగా ఉంది.
ఆటోమేటికలీ వచ్చేస్తే మంచిది, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
తెలుగులో చెప్పగలిగినంత ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పలేకపోతున్నాను సార్, బికాస్ మై బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఇస్ టోటలీ తెలుగు.
ఐ నో. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నాము, వాట్ ఈస్ ద జాబ్ రోల్ ఆఫ్ అ బ్యాంక్ క్లర్క్?
Job role of the bank clerk is
account opening,
customer queries, deposit and withdrawal cash,
assist customers, loan related work,
good,
marketing of bank product,
and maintaining the daily transaction in a system. These are the main.
cross-selling.
No, one by one. Each one will talk. Akshay Chauhan, would you like to tell about this question?
Yes, sir.
Please tell, what is the job role of a bank clerk?
Yes, sir. Bank clerk, we will have to accept the deposits from the customer and also do the cash withdrawal for the customer, and listen to the queries of the customer regarding all the banking facilities that we provide, and also provide them the new updated information about the digital saving accounts and all the new features and services that bank provide. And as a bank clerk, we will majorly doing this.
The only thing is, everything fine. I will give 8 out of 10 for this question. But the only thing is, you should add one more point, smile.
Yes, sir.
With a smile. Good. Then who would like to speak next? What is the job role of a bank clerk?
Sir, can I
speak? Come on, speak.
Sir, first of all, welcome the customer with a smiley face. Listen thoroughly about the query of customer. Give the best possible solution for the customer's query. Opening accounts, taking deposits, and give cash to the customers at the demand of customer. Issuing passbook, printing passbook.
Very good. Good. Excellent. Not bad.
Many remittance facilities. If the customer wants the remittance facilities, give them the service, like NEFT, RTGS, IMS.
But only one point you omitted. South Indian Bank, Federal Bank and all, they will always expect their bank clerk to do canvassing also. So you should tell that it canvassing of deposits. Canvassing of that is marketing of new products. So you will tell them, I will try to market the bank products like insurance products and mutual fund products also. That point also you should tell. Otherwise, you told nicely. I think most of the points have been covered. But
KYC
only thing is
related services.
You can also tell about KYC related services. Then if you are working in loan section, you will take the documents for the loan sanctioned, and also follow up the loans, accounts for recovery of the money and all that. Good. This point, I think you people have managed very well. I am happy. I am happy you managed this question very well. Now, did anyone go through about the budget? Say, what are the
Yes, sir.
important points that stays in your mind regarding budget? Please, whatever stays in your mind, you can tell. I will ask समाधान first. समाधान, बजट का बारे में कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
अभी सप्तऋषि अनाउंस किया है,
ओके,
उसमें
बोलिए.
स्कीम
हाँ,
अलग
बोलिए,
अलग
बोलिए.
स्कीम के लिए अलग अलग एलोकेशन है.
ओके, ऐसा में भी इतना कम बोलने से नहीं चलेगा ना. Very good. I will go to Malayala. Malayala, Anil, you know
Yes, sir.
something? Tell me
Yes, sir.
something.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు బడ్జెట్ అనేది ఒక 7 పాయింట్స్ ని మేజర్ గా హైలైట్ చేసి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడం జరిగింది సార్.
Okay.
అందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అంటే కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ గుర్తున్నాయి సార్. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గురించి,
Hmm.
మళ్ళీ గ్రీన్ హౌస్ గురించి, బ్యాంకింగ్ గురించి, అట్లా సమ్ పాయింట్స్ ని హైలైట్ చేస్తూ
Some
దీన్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్
points
చేయడం.
చెప్పకూడదు. మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో వెళ్ళిన సమయంలో some point చెప్పకూడదు. You must tell those points.
ఓకే సార్.
అది ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే
ఇంకా ఎవరు? ఐ థింక్ నో, సంబడి హెస్ నాట్ టాక్డ్. రజత్ వర్మ. కెన్ యూ స్పీక్ ऑन बजट? बजट का बारे में बात कर सकते हैं?
सर बजट का इतना आइडिया नहीं है सर.
Otherwise we will see that now there is no other go. You are all not ready. I have to show you that, so that this session we will cover it up. Yeah. See, I have provided a material like this for you. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
very good. So here, you just read it at home. But important points you have to tell is, in the budget, they have mentioned about Saptarishi, 7 priorities. You must tell what are they. You start from inclusive development, reaching the last mile, youth power, financial sector, green growth, unleashing potential, infrastructure and investment. All this is done under Amrit Kal program. About each and everything they have given under agriculture, under inclusive development ante emi. What is inclusive development? Trying
सबका
to
साथ.
see sabka saath, correct. Sabka saath, sabka vikas. Everybody should be made, should get the financial and insurance services. That is the idea. So towards that, building of digital public infrastructure, setting up agricultural accelerator fund, targeted funding. This point you can remember. Rupees 20 lakh crore agricultural credit targeted at animal husbandry, dairy, fishing sector. Then setting up widely available storage capacity. And this point is very important. Sri Anna for millets. Okay. Then come to this health and all. Read some of the points. Remember them. Then education and skilling. National Digital Library setup. Then this is very important. These are the achievements under inclusive development. Most important is 47.8 crore Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Then this PMSBY, PMJJY. Then at least these two you tell. Drinking water, another thing not required. Then
Okay, sir.
come to this last mile, Pradhan Mantri PVTG Development Mission to be launched. What is that scheme? Just search in Google and get to know details. Financial assistance to be given to sustainable micro irrigation in drought prone regions of Karnataka. Then more teachers to be recruited. Then infrastructure and investment, increased capital investment outlay, 10 lakh crore. At least one point you remember. Then here, artificial intelligence in India, 3 specialized centers to be kept. Artificial intelligence-based solutions in agriculture, health and sustainable cities. Then likewise, this also you just go through this briefly. Then green growth. What is green growth? This question they are asking in interviews. Mishti. Mishti means mangrove plantation along the coastline. This point. Then PM Pranam to be launched. What is PM Pranam scheme? Get to know about this and some basic ideas. Then Mahila Samman Bachat Batra. This is very easy to remember. New scheme has been started for women, 2-year deposit, maximum 2 lakh rupees, 7.5% interest. Then senior citizen deposit, maximum deposit has been increased from 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Likewise, some definite information you tell. You also know 50-year interest-free loan given to states. Fiscal deficit of 3.5% of GSDP allowed for states. Then fiscal consolidation, targeted fiscal deposit to be below 4.5%. This much, I think, and also if you can tell, the government is aiming at higher exports, higher domestic manufacturing, more value addition in the economy, green energy and mobility. These points you can tell them. Then under direct tax proposals, this and all only commerce people can understand. Commerce people, please go through details. Then simplifying tax benefits for industry, the others can go through. But non-commerce students, basically you tell about 7 sub-issues: inclusive development, then Mishti, then Mahila, then senior citizen, then about PMJDY canvassing, then PMJJBY canvassing and all that. If you tell that, that must be sufficient. You prepare, you read once, twice, so that you can remember. I am not able to remember that. So please go through that. Is that okay? Any questions on budget in this case?
No, sir.
And yeah, and here VA power scheme. So what is the expansion of PPI? Sorry. What is the expansion of, what is that scheme? I'm not remembering that. It's post office schemes. Only, what is the savings? PPF. I'm not getting that.
Public Provident Fund.
Public Provident Fund. What is the expansion of EPFO?
Employees Provident Fund Organization.
Very good. Employees Provident Fund Organization. What is bank assurance? What is bank assurance?
Selling of insurance product to bank.
It's selling of insurance products by the banks. Good.
Yes.
This is available in this material. Banking terms. This is guidely material. And now I think repo rate here, rates have been changed. Please don't be guided by this. Rates have been revised as on February 8. Now repo rate, please note down 6.4. They have given here. Very good. They have given here 6.50. Standing deposit facility 6.25. Marginal standing facility 6.75. bank rate 6.75, reverse repo rate 3.35, CRR 84.5, SLR 18%. So what is repo rate? I think we have already discussed this, or I have not told you.
The rate
Pardon?
at which
Repo rate is the rate at which the Reserve Bank of India lends money to commercial banks, commercial banks
Yes.
for short term. For short
Yes.
term. Then standing deposit facility means where the banks have got surplus funds, they can park their funds with the Reserve Bank of India, not supported by government securities, and that is 6.25. Marginal standing facility bank rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends
Overnight.
money to, not overnight, scheduled commercial banks. Overnight is marginal standing facility rate.
Yes, sir.
in bank rate long term?
Bank rate means long term. Then reverse repo rate is 3.35%, the rate at which Reserve Bank takes money supported by government securities. But now, not many banks will keep the funds here. Why should they keep here? No. CRR means 4.5%.
Cash reserve ratio.
Banks have to keep 4.5% of their total deposits with the
RBI
Reserve Bank of
in the
India
form of cash.
in their current account with the RBI.
Yes.
They can't keep it as cash in their hand. They have to keep it as balance in their current account with Reserve Bank of India. Very important questions these are all. Next one, SLR means statutory liquidity ratio.
In the form of
18% of
liquid
the
asset.
18% in the form of gold or government securities or government securities or bonds. They should maintain in gold, or they can
Also in
maintain in
cash.
cash also. They can maintain in cash also. This is what they have told. Then public provident fund is now 7.1% interest. Then post office savings bank account 4%, senior citizen 8%, Kisan Vikas Patra 7.2%, Sukanya Samriddhi 7.6%. Here minimum amount they have told. Minimum 250 rupees you have to remit in Sukanya Samriddhi. Public Provident Fund, they are giving 5,000. I am not sure. It must be 500 only. I don't
Yes,
know
sir.
why. I don't know why they have given wrongly like this. 1 minute.
The
PPF.
PPF 500 yearly minimum.
Yeah. Minimum deposit. If I'm not only 500. So you
Yes,
must
sir.
try to remember the mistakes also. Okay. Very good. Now, see here, from here, why don't you read this book tomorrow, at least up to 20 pages.
Okay, sir.
Boys,
sir.
girls, please go through up to 20 pages thoroughly. I will ask questions based on this. Okay? This
Okay, sir.
guidely material, something, any one material we should follow. That will be better. Today, I have taken you through this South Indian Bank. We have not covered fully. We have discussed only personal banking, that too savings bank account only. We can discuss about fixed deposit, current account, then recurring deposit and all. Please go through the website and get to know what are the details about them. Then sometimes they may ask about priority banking. What is that? You please get to know. Then what is NRI banking? What are the products? Then about business banking. What are the things they are telling you under this? Please go through them, and you must know. They will ask you, especially commerce students. They will ask, did you go through the website of our bank? What did you like in that? Please go through this thoroughly and start liking something and tell about it correctly. Okay?
सर मुझे एक डाउट था
Yeah.
बैंक वेबसाइट पे वो एक्सटेंशन काउंटर 0 है लेकिन विकिपीडिया पे 1 दिखाता है।
एक्सटेंशन काउंटर का मतलब से अभी कुछ हॉस्पिटल और कॉलेज में बैंक का काउंटर ये खोलता है, खाली उधर में एक काउंटर होगा, वो इट विल बी नॉर्मली यूज्ड बाय द एम्प्लॉइज ऑफ दैट हॉस्पिटल और कॉलेज, बट यहाँ पर दिया है देयर आर नो एक्सटेंशन काउंटर्स, चिंता
सर्विस
मत करो।
ब्रांचेस भी 4 दिया है विकिपीडिया।
एक ही सर्विस ब्रांच दिया है। सर्विस ब्रांच का मतलब that will be going for clearing, it must be in their Cochin or Trivandrum, where all the instruments will be sent to that place. Or nowadays they are not sending instruments, they are sending only images. That image is sent to the service branch. That service branch will be participating in RBI clearing. That is what it is. Good. Thank you so much. And
Sir,
whose phone is giving so much trouble? Whose mic? Huh? Now, what happened? Is there more Hava in your place? It is giving noise like this.
I think Santosh.
Why don't you
Santosh
use some? Why don't you use some other phone or laptop so that this sound problem will come down? Santosh. Santosh, I think your phone is the problem. Your phone, because if I stop, and yours is not stopping in spite of my stopping. Yeah, it's okay. Doesn't matter. Thank you so much. But preparation is
Sir.
not sufficient. You have to prepare. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, please, are you repeat the answer of why banking?
Why banking? What is your degree?
Sir, Hindi honors.
Pardon?
Postgraduate in Hindi honors.
Postgraduate in Hindi. Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
Postgraduate in Hindi. Why banking? हमारा हिंदी क्वालिफिकेशन का बेस्ड में नौकरी प्रॉपरली नहीं मिलता है, और बैंकिंग तो एक ग्रोइंग सेक्टर है जहां आपको प्रैक्टिकली कस्टमर से डील कर सकते हैं, और आप कस्टमर से अच्छा सर्विस देने से हमारा जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन ज्यादा मिल जाएगा। और इसका अलावा बैंक में काम करने से तो बैंकिंग में जॉब सिक्योरिटी भी है, और बैंक के लिए ग्रोथ भी ज्यादा हो रहा है, इसलिए मेरा कैरियर बढ़िया हो जाएगा। इसी वजह से तो हम बैंक में ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं। एंड बैंकिंग जॉब तो एक प्रेस्टिजियस जॉब है, समझ गया? रेस्पेक्टेबल,
Okay,
ऐसा
sir.
ऐसा बोल सकते हैं। ये तो रिकॉर्ड हो गया है, हम रिकॉर्ड में हम हमारा आई विल नॉट पोस्ट इट ओपनली, आई विल पोस्ट इट इन आवर ग्रुप ओनली, प्लीज वॉच दैट।
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question anybody has now in mind? Any doubts? Otherwise, read a lot. Tomorrow we will meet again. As I told you, 8th of March, there will not be any class. 8th of March, no
Sir,
class.
the total,
Pardon?
sir, जो total amount of advances और डिपॉजिट के बारे में थे ना, उनका एक बारी ब्रीफ तरीके से लिख दीजिए उस पे व्हाट्सएप पे या टेलीग्राम पे, समझ नहीं आ
ठीक
रहा
है,
है सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। I will type it out and give it to you. No problem. हम बोल डाल देगा. I will prepare a material on that and post it. Don't worry. Today I am free only. I will do it. Thank you.
ठीक है।
And अच्छा, 8 तारीख class नहीं है. There is no
Okay, sir.
class
Okay,
on
sir.
8th because I am leaving for Canada, and 8th and from 9th I will handle classes from Canada. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best of
Thank you,
luck.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.